Hello guys, myself Akshit Pandey and you are watching Akshit Hacks. So guys, today we are going to make a One Piece keychain, and I should tell you that One Piece is a Japanese comic series illustrated and written by Eiichiro Oda. So let's start our video. So to make our keychain, we will need a thin piece of cardboard, scissors, Fevicol, keychain. I didn't have jump rings, so I used stapler pins for making jump rings, stapler for stapler pins, cutout of logo of any of your favorite character of One Piece. I have taken the logo of Monkey D. Luffy, my favorite character. To make our keychain, we will take a thin piece of cardboard, the logo, and stick it through to the thin piece of cardboard like this. Now we will cut out very cleanly through the logo. Do you want to see a magic? See, abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo. Did you like the magic? I cutted it off very cleanly just by tapping the scissors on it. Now I will cut out one more piece like this, and paste it on it. So let's cut. See, I have cutted it out and punched a hole up here. We will miss this part on here. Now stick it on here with the help of a Fevicol. So now I will attach this keychain through it with the help of a stapler pin. Let me do it and show you. We will take a stapler pin in the normal shape in which we staple our copies like this. Now one end we will attach through here and one end we will open with the help of scissors. And attach it here and simply close it. We can also press it with the help of scissors. It's tightly packed. See, our keychain is ready. Now I will show it to you by attaching it to a key. See, this is my car key, and now I will attach it to here like this. See, this is looking cool. Am I right? I think that it's looking cool. So, if you like this keychain, please like my video, share it to your friends. And so, if you like this video and this keychain, don't forget to like my video and share it with your friends and family, and never forget to click on the subscribe button and make it from red to grey. Bye. Take care of yourself.